Hi, my name is Jim Noka from Knife Journal, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about axes, and one in particular, a little cruiser axe from my good friend Lon Humphreys. Stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm going to try to, it's pretty bright out here, so I'm squinty. I might end up putting my sunglasses on. I'm out at the proving grounds and received an axe earlier this spring from Lon Humphrey's, little cruiser style axe. And first I want to address cruiser axes. Cruiser axes are shorter handle axes. A little longer than a big hatchet, but you know, there's all kinds of different examples, double-bitted ones. This is a Condor double-bitted axe, but notice the handle length is, you know, about. And this is a cruiser axe that Bark River redid, a little longer handle. This is typically the one that I have in my truck. I like this style of axe. It's kind of handy to have. A lot of times it's faster than a chainsaw when you're clearing a trail. Compared to a full-size axe, this is a oxen cop axe that I use a fair amount, and as you can see, it's quite a bit heavier, quite a bit bigger head, and both length and width. But one of the things I want to address is the fact that this handle is shorter. So you have to be careful because, you know, if you're standing up and you're swinging it and you miss your target, you know, you got limbs that can be in the way. And that's something to be concerned about. A lot of times when I'm using an axe this size, I'll get down on one knee so that I'm closer to the ground. And if I happen to miss my target, which I try not to, I will hit the ground instead of my shin. But I got to tell you, I've been playing with this one from Lon for a while, and it is a wonderful chopper. I was really, it's fairly light. One of the things about pack axes is you want it to be fairly light, but it's got to be heavy enough to actually work. A lot of it's done with edge geometry and the thinness. This piece balances quite well, and when you've got an axe that's balanced well, you can hit the target every time where you want to hit it, and that's it's an axe. It's relatively important to do that. So, without any further ado, I've got a log that fell over this winter, and we cut the top half off it and we used it for firewood at one point in time out here this winter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple chops on it and show you how well this thing cuts. I mean, it's pretty amazing. That's one swing. Not a very hard swing, but notice how much penetration we get. She did a really, really nice job. I mean, we're talking about, she went in a good 2 inches. Now my second cut, will be a little higher. You see that puppy went in really well. Now you'll notice that puppy's about all the way through. There you have it. The Lon Humphrey's Camp Axe. Highly recommended, very nicely executed, very well done.